How do you tackle the problems that confront you in real life? Think about your trip to school. If you live in a city, traffic is undoubtedly a problem you confront daily. How do you decide the best way to drive to school? If you are new in town, you first get a map and look at the possible ways to make the trip. Then you might collect information from people who know the area about the advantages and disadvantages of various routes. Based on this information, you probably try to predict the best route. However, you can find the best route only by trying several of them and comparing the results. After a few experiments with the various possibilities, you probably will be able to select the best way. What you are doing in solving this everyday problem is applying the same process that scientists use to study nature. The first thing you did was collect relevant data. Then you made a prediction, and then you tested it by trying it out. This process contains the fundamental elements of science. 1. Making observations, collecting data. 2. Suggesting a possible explanation, formulating a hypothesis. And 3. Doing experiments to test the possible explanation, testing the hypothesis. Scientists call this process the scientific method. We will discuss it in more detail in the next videos. One of life's most important activities is solving problems. Not plug-and-chug exercises, but real problems. Problems that have new facets to them, that involve things you may have never confronted before. The more creative you are at solving these problems, the more effective you will be in your career and your personal life. Part of the reason for learning chemistry, therefore, is to become a better problem solver. Chemists are usually excellent problem solvers, because to master chemistry, you have to master the scientific approach. Chemical problems are frequently very complicated. There is usually no neat and tidy solution. Often it is difficult to know where to begin.